Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about celery, and I've got some tips and ideas for you for using celery, and I hope this will help you out. If you're looking for just a simple snack, try celery sticks. Yeah, I know that's the old adage when you're trying to lose weight, gnawing on celery sticks. They're really not that bad if you get used to eating just whole natural foods. You can dress them up any way you want. You can add a little cream cheese in there, any nut butter that you want, even cottage cheese or ricotta cheese can be added into that cavity in a celery stalk, and it would be a healthy snack for you. Another thing that you could do for a little snack with celery sticks is to dip them into your favorite salad dressing. Why not? I used to do that as a child all the time. How about making a quick salad by combining some chopped celery, apples, grapes, and some walnuts or pecans? Top it with your favorite salad dressing and you're good to go. For some crunch, add some diced celery to your favorite tuna salad, chicken salad, egg salad, macaroni salad, or even potato salad. It does add some nice crunch and flavor in there. How about making an easy vegetable salad by combining some diced celery, tomatoes, and a little onion? Add a little cucumber in there if you've got it, and top it with your favorite vinaigrette dressing would be optimal to me, or your other favorite salad dressing, whatever you want. Don't discard your celery leaves. They're perfectly edible, and I don't understand why some people will cut them off and throw them away. They taste like celery. They're perfectly edible. There's nothing wrong with them. Just consider them to be a part of the celery that you're going to enjoy. They also contain a lot of vitamin C, calcium, and potassium, so they're worth ingesting. Now, if they don't work well in the particular dish that you are fixing, save them and add them to your salads, or freeze them and later on throw them in soups or stews or sauces, or when you're even making a stock of whatever type you like to make. They are usable. Don't discard those leaves. We know that celery has a lot of antioxidants in there. It's got a lot of healthful properties. Research has shown that more of those compounds were retained when the celery was steamed even after 10 minutes versus having been boiled for 3 minutes, even up to 10 minutes. A lot more was saved when the celery was steamed. So if you're cooking celery for the sake of a side dish and you want to preserve the nutrients, steam it rather than boil it. Another way to retain most of the nutrients in celery would be to wait to cut it up until you're ready to use it. When you slice into that, a lot of the nutrients are going to dissipate out with that having been cut. So wait until the last minute to cut your celery and you'll get more bang for your buck out of it that way. If your celery has become wilted, you can revive it by sprinkling some water on there and then wrapping it up like however you had it stored. Or you could take the stalks and put them in a glass of a little bit of water like you would cut flowers. Put that in the refrigerator, and at the end of the day or after overnight into the next day, they will be firmed up really well. But my advice to you is to take them out of that water once they have firmed up. If you leave them in there for a prolonged period of time, you're going to find that they've all gotten really, really wilted. Why does that happen? The cells in the celery stalk will continue to absorb water and keep absorbing it, and they're good and firm, but then after a while they're going to burst. They can only hold so much, and then they'll fall over and be totally limp. So you don't want that to happen. So put them in the water to firm them up. Take them out of the water once they're firm, and then rewrap them and store them however you prefer to store your celery. Another use for the celery leaves would be to use them as a substitute for parsley in any dish. Well, I do hope this helps you out. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.